All right, let's go ahead and talk about inequalities, specifically writing inequalities. So, to write inequalities, we've got a checklist here. We're going to define our variable, find symbol keywords, find operation keywords, determine the operation, and then we're going to write it all together. So, Aladdin practices writing the magic carpet at least 63 times a week. If he practices 7 days each week, write an inequality for how many times he practices a day. Okay, so, first off, what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about practices each day. That's what it asked me for. To figure out what you're being asked, look at the last sentence of the inequality. Write an inequality for how many times he practices a day. So, we're going to use P for practices each day to find my variable. Now we're going to find symbol keywords. So symbol keywords are talking about what inequality symbol are we using. I see the words at least, and that is a symbol keyword here. Well, at least means greater than or equal to. If you ever get stuck on what the symbol means, think about pizza. I'm going to eat at least 3 pieces of pizza tonight. Well, does that mean I can eat 3 pieces? Yes, it's at least 3. Could I eat 2 pieces? No, that's not at least 3. Could I eat 4 pieces? Yes, that's at least 3, so greater than or equal to. Operation keywords, I see the word each, and we know that when we talk about slope, per, each, and all mean to multiply. So this is being multiplied by the variable. So here we go. Determine the operation. We just did that. Each means to multiply. So let's write it all together. 7p has to be at least or greater than or equal to 63. Please remember that when a number is next to a variable, that means to multiply. So I'm really saying 7 times p is greater than or equal to 63. All right, let's try another one. Jungle Sammy is making flower arrangements for her friends. If she wants to use fewer than 15 flowers in an arrangement and has already put 6 flowers in an arrangement, how many more flowers can she add? Okay, what am I talking about? Look at the last sentence. We're talking about flowers. So F is for flowers. Then we're going to use symbol keywords. Well, I can see we have fewer than. So fewer than, if we're talking about our symbols, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, fewer than would mean less than. Then operation keywords. Well, we already put 6 flowers, okay? So that means I'm adding. So I'm talking about how many more, already put how many more we're adding. Now let's determine the operation here, okay? So we're talking about adding. F plus 6 has to be less than 15. And the last one. The gorillas got a bunch of bananas to share with the Jungle Cruise passengers. If 12 passengers got no more than 3 bananas, how many bananas did he buy? Okay, so that should say no more than 3 bananas each. They're each getting no more than 3 bananas. So what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about bananas, so B for bananas. Symbol keywords, no more than. Well, no more than. I'm going to eat no more than 3 pieces of pizza. Could I eat 2 pieces? Yeah, 2 is no more than 3. Could I eat 3 pieces? Yeah, 3 is no more than 3. Could I eat 4 pieces? No, 4 is more than 3. So no more than is less than or equal to. If we're sharing this, we're typically talking about division. So sharing is dividing. So I'm going to say if B, the total number of bananas, divided by my passengers, has to be less than or equal to 3. So we're sharing all these bananas. So I'm dividing my total number of bananas by my total number of passengers, and it has to be less than or equal to 3. All right, guys, you may move on.